Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Nidhi Kulshresht, working as an assistant professor economics in Reva University. I have been working from the last 15 years in various formal and informal organizations. As a woman, I feel myself empowered in all the sense, whether it is social, cultural, physical, mental, economical, in all the ways. As a female, I try to balance my work life, and thankfully, whichever organization I have worked for has helped me in attaining my goals as a professional. Thank you.
My name is Sashika and I'm a psychologist as well as a lecturer from Reva University. So I have been working for the past 5 years and I really love working and contributing to the community and society. Being a working professional, especially as a woman, has its own challenges, but I have a very supportive family. I have a lot of supportive friends with me who really helped me, choose this career path and make me a more independent person. So yeah, that's about it.
Hi, I'm Painamar Selvi. So I am in teaching field for the past 12 years. So before that, I am a reporter working in profession. So now I'm switched to completely teaching. So I am a teacher, known as a teacher. And according to you, like the question asked to me is, what is International Women's Day? So according to me, it's a big day. Again, it's a westernization celebration thing, but still, as a woman, every day is a big challenge for us to balance our personal and professional life. Every day it's a challenge, but still, I wanted to do this for another couple of years because that is what it's identity for me. I always be known as somebody's daughters or somebody's wife or mother. Who am I is only in my workplace. This is my identity. This is my individuality. Here, I don't have the tags of mother, daughter, wife, sister, all that. I am known for my identity. I am Selvi. I am known for my teaching role. So as a teacher, so this is my identity. For this, I will face all the challenges. Whatever is being waited for me, I will be facing all the challenges. So according to me, facing everyday challenge is the biggest task as a woman. So thank you for having me in this video and I wish you all a very, very happy Women's Day. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Ishita and I'm an assistant professor here at Reva University. I've been working for 2 years now, and to be a working professional, it's very important to balance out our work and personal life. And being a woman, the society usually expects us to focus on our home front rather than our work. But this Women's Day, we will want the women folks to come out and appreciate the work that they do both in their personal life and professional life, because that is what gives them a personal achievement and accomplishment in life. It gives them a way to find their own dreams and passions and also to empower themselves. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ina Sanchana and I'm working as an assistant professor here at Reva University since the past 6 to 7 months. It's been a really beautiful experience being a professor, and as a woman and as a working professional, I think the financial independence that I have gained has given me such freedom in life, and I feel that regardless of having so much of independence and being an independent country for so long, we still, somewhere people have the backward mindset when it comes to women, especially in the working work front. So I feel that not just Women's Day, but every day should be a day where we spread awareness regarding the same, and I feel this Women's Day becomes a platform for us to spread out that awareness.
Start.
So hi, I'm Sanisha Srivastav and I'm working currently as an assistant professor at Reva University in the Department of Psychology. So previously I have also worked as a practicing psychologist at Manipal Hospital, and it's been 2 years since I have been practicing as a psychologist, and currently I started teaching as a professor as well. So talking about my work experience and how I have feel is that I have been feeling very empowered because it's not only contributing to my personal growth but professional as well. So yeah.
Myself Divya, I'm currently working as an assistant professor in the Department of Psychology. So this has been almost more than 6 months I have been entered into my workforce. This is my first job as a teacher, the Department of Psychology. What I feel the importance of being a woman in workplace is that my work experience give me is that it makes us financially independent. When I became financially empowered or financially independent, it gives me an autonomy to make decision about my future and my career decisions. Also, it helped me to support my family as well. So I wish all the women out here a very well and very happy Women's Day.